Hey, to perform earbud fit test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, first of all, you will have to open the Galaxy wearable application. Now you will have to actually input both earbuds inside your ears. And right now you will have to go into the sound quality and the effects and move into the earbud fit test. Now when both earbuds are inside, we have to actually go into the quiet place and put them. So let's start. There we go. As you can see, in my case, I've got information that they got a good fit. And yes, I can even confirm that because today I was actually using them in the gym and I didn't even have to correct them once. I mean, I didn't actually have to take them out of my ear and put them back. They just, they works with my ears perfectly. The fit is really good, and I've got even this short confirmation in this fit test. And that's how it looks. If you got, for example, not good fit, you can actually change ear tips, and the ear tips you will be able to find in your box. It's actually inside the charging cable box. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.